I was introducing a guy named Stephen Brock. He's a dad of a few of our students, and he's a recently returned veteran from being overseas. And he's been here for about 3 weeks.
My favorite part was probably when we sang 50-50. So you sing like all the colonies, saying a speech and singing for our veterans.
I enjoyed doing our speech parts and doing singing Star Spangled Banner.
We recognized their service.
So people that aren't noticed, they can still feel proud of themselves for protecting our country.
It's important to honor our veterans because they're the ones that stood up and went and sacrificed their lives for us so that we could have a free country to live in.